This is the tutorial explaining groups. Our system allows you to set up groups which are used for categorizing your end users. Groups are not required. However, they allow you to more easily find particular individuals and are helpful on the group reporting page. When you set up an assessment access link, you have the option of assigning that link to a group. Each individual that completes an assessment using that particular link will be assigned to that group. As I mentioned already, groups are helpful for organizing your end users and when engaging in group reporting. Let's start by viewing the Groups page. On the left-hand menu, click on the link called Groups. On this page you will find a list of existing groups that you've already created. You can edit the names of any of these groups by clicking on the pencil next to the name. So I'll take Outside Sales Team and let's say we're going to edit that to Inside Sales Team. Then I would click Update. I'll then see the Inside Sales Team in my list. To add a new group, click on the link that says click here to add a new group, or you can click on the plus sign. There is only one place to enter data. The one field is called Group Name. Simply type in the name of your group and then click Insert. So we will call this XYZ Company. I'm doing a training, let's say, with the XYZ Company, and I want to put all of their users into this one group. And I click Insert. You'll now notice in my list is the XYZ Company. So now let's go over once again why creating groups is relevant. There's three places. On the end user screen, this is going to list everybody that has completed an assessment using my links through my account. On that page you have various links, various groups, various assessments possibly, and so maybe I want to find everybody that has gone through my upper management group. So I can come over to my group name and I can type in upper and say contains. So the system is now going to search through all the records associated with my account and find anybody associated with the upper management group. So once the page loads, you'll see these particular people. So there's about 8 or 9 sample records that have gone through my upper management. And now I can click to download reports. I could send reminders. The features of the end user screen are in another tutorial. The basics here is that I used group filtering to come up with the list of people that I now want to work with. The next area is the group reporting page. So I want to run a report. Let's say it's the DISC team report. So I would choose the report, then I would choose my group. So I'll say the upper management once again. And now it's going to list everybody that took a DISC assessment through my upper management group. And I can go through the features on the group reporting page to select the individuals, move them over, and ultimately click View Report. And my report will contain just the people filtered from that group. Now the third area, how you assign these people in the first place, is on the Assessment Access Link screen. When you create a new link, you have the option of assigning them to a group. So here's the group drop down. I can choose, let's say, my XYZ Company, and then when I go through the rest of the components of setting up a link, I'll then have that link associated with that particular group. So that covers the basics of setting up a group.